To test if your glow plugs are any good, you can use a multimeter, and this is how. If you set it to ohms, in this case I've set it to 200, which is the most sensitive, I can put it on this one. And then if you place the positive terminal underneath, anywhere underneath this red rubber ring, and the negative on the tip, you'll see we have a reading of 0.4. Now that means the glow plug is fine. Anything between 0.2 and 2 is good. Anything above that range is bad. On this one we're getting the same, 0.4, so that glow plug is good. And on this one we're getting 0.6, 0.4, that one's fine. And finally we're getting 82 for this one. That means this glow plug is shot. If one glow plug is bad, it is recommended you replace all of the glow plugs, as if you get any big difference in the resistance between the glow plugs, it can affect the performance of the engine. So in my case I've replaced all 4 of these glow plugs. And that is how to test if your glow plugs are working using a multimeter.